Get support when you need it. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Step 2. Look at the bottom menu bar in the app to find the Account button. Step 3. Scroll down and click Help. Step 4. Tap the Stores button at the top. Step 5. Click Help with an Order or select the prompt that best fits your issue. Select the order you had an issue with and follow the corresponding prompts to be connected to our support team. Follow-up correspondence will be in Messages in the app. If you prefer to use a desktop computer, you can also follow these steps at help.uber.com/Uber Eats/stores.